Hi, you guys. Let's go over the agenda for this week. So this week we have 6.1 video notes. This is located in Schoology. The notes, we're starting a new chapter, so therefore you can either pick up the notes in the front office of Lakeview, or if you do not need a paper copy, I have the notes for you to download to your computer, and you can either print at home or you just keep it on your computer and write on your screen. That's within our chapter 6.1 folder. So then after our video notes, we have Big Ideas 6.1, obviously located on Big Ideas, and then you will show your work and submit that to Schoology to get a 3 out of 3 on your homework. So a couple things to highlight at the bottom. First, we have our Zoom at 10:30 on Friday. This is to go over 6.1 notes. So make sure that you have those done prior to 10:30. That way we can go over any questions that you have. And then we have Chapter 5 test that it was technically due Tuesday at 11:59, but a couple of students have not done that yet. And so please make sure that you go back and you complete that Chapter 5 test as soon as possible. And then email me and let me know. So let's get out of here and go look at that folder. So in our folder, we have our 6.1 video notes. Here's where you're going to post your showing work form for your 6.1 Big Ideas. Remember, this is how you get a 3 out of 3 on your homework. You need to show your work on a piece of paper, and then you will post that here. And then here are those 6.1 notes that you can download to your computer. I'm actually going to move that up. Let's move that before the notes. So that's everything we have for this week. Email me if you have any questions, and then I will see you guys on Friday for our Zoom.